Hello guys, welcome to my channel. My name is Mary Doreen. If you're new here, thanks for tuning in. Please subscribe and stay with us. Today we'll be learning das modal verb müssen, which means must. It is used to express things like Regel, that is a rule, Befehl, command, Aufgabe, task, Vorschrift, instruction, Verpflichtung, obligation, or Notwendigkeit, necessity. A modal verb is a helping verb and normally require a main verb to have a complete meaning. Because when it stays on its own in a sentence, it may not have a complete meaning. For example, if I say I must, someone will say must what? I must cook. So when I say cook, cook is my main verb and it cannot give this must a complete meaning. In German, forming the present tense of a sentence using a modal verb, it is the modal verb that you will conjugate and put in the second position, while the main verb goes to the end of the sentence, not conjugated. Welcome back. Now, let's see the conjugation of the verb müssen. Ich muss, I must. Du musst, you must. Muss, he must. Wir müssen, we must. Ihr müsst, you people must. Sie or das Sie müssen, they or you must. Let's see some examples. To express Verpflichtung or obligation, Frau Jana muss den Laden öffnen. Mrs. Jana must open the store. To express necessity, Notwendigkeit. Ihr müsst früh aufstehen. You guys must wake up early, because if you don't, there will be a problem. To express Aufgabe, task. Die Mutter muss die Kleider einpacken. The mother must pack in the clothes. To express Befehl or Regel, that is a command or a rule. Du musst heute am Computer arbeiten. You must work on the computer today. To express Notwendigkeit, that is necessity, something that is necessary for you to do, you must do. Ich muss für meine Prüfung lesen. I must study for my exams, because if I don't, I will fail. Another one is, sie muss mit dem Hund spazieren gehen. She must go for a walk with the dog. To express Vorschrift, that is an instruction. Hier muss man warten. You must wait here. Thank you all for your attention. Watch out for the next videos on modal verb. Please remember to like, comment, share, and subscribe to my channel. I love you all. Cheers!